Hi everyone, welcome to Glitters and Flakies. I am Debbie and today I am here to share with you 4 polishes from March 2021 Polish Pickup. Polish Pickup is a one-stop shop for indie nail polish, cosmetics, vendor wax and handcrafted items. The shop opens at 11 a.m. Eastern on the first Friday of the month and closes at midnight Eastern on Monday. This month's theme is birds and butterflies, and let me tell you guys, there are so many beautiful spring inspired polishes being offered this month. You have to check it out. So let's get started with the swatches. First up is Morning Cloak from Never Enough Polish, which is inspired by the Morning Cloak butterfly and the deep beautiful shades in its wings. This one is described as a vampy blackened cherry with a sharp pink to red shift. It has a very slight gold chrome effect on the edges in low light. This polish is so vampy and sexy. I don't own too many dark polishes, but I feel like this one is a must-have. Formula is excellent in this one. It applies so smoothly and it does not leave any stains. Removal was easy. Morning Cloak retails for $12. There will be no caps for US and there will be 20 bottles available for UK. My swatch pics show 2 coats of Morning Cloak with a glossy top coat. Next up is Tiny Firebird, which is Starlight and Sparkle's polish contribution for March's Polish Pickup. Tiny Firebird is inspired by the red-billed firefinch, which is a small songbird native to Africa. This polish is a warm scarlet jelly with fiery shimmer, mostly red shimmer and microflakes, accented with copper and gold. This is a classic rich red shimmer polish. This is a 2-coater and absolutely mesmerizing in its sparkliness. This polish glows like ruby on my nails. Formula is excellent. It applies smoothly. It did not leave any stains and removal was easy. Tiny Firebird retails for $11 and is capped at 150 bottles. In my swatch pics, you will see 3 coats of Tiny Firebird on my middle finger and 2 coats on the rest. The next polish is Electric Butterfly from Kathleen & Company. Electric Butterfly is a vibrant purple jelly base loaded with color-shifting iridescent flakies and a dusting of shimmer to match. This is another of my favorite from this month. The flakies glow so beautifully in the jelly base. If you are a purple lover like me, you need to have this polish in your collection. I had no issues with application. It dries a little on the flat side, so you need a glossy top coat. Electric Butterfly retails for $13 and there will be 400 bottles available. My swatch pics show 3 thin coats of Electric Butterfly with a glossy top coat. The last polish I have is Mystic Eyes by Lucky 13 Lacquer, which is inspired by Articuno, a legendary bird of ice from Pokemon. Mystic Eyes is a bright blue to sapphire to amethyst multichrome. Mattifying it really shows off the color shift. The shift in this polish is just insane. This is easily one of my favorite multichrome polishes ever. Mystic Eyes will be retailed for $11 and there will be 200 bottles available. My swatch pics show 3 coats of Mystic Eyes and a glossy top coat. So guys, those were all my swatches from March 2021 Polish Pickup. Polish Pickup is open from March 5th to March 8th this month. The shop is currently open for wishlisting. That means you cannot make a purchase right now, but you can add the items you like to your wish list. I'll leave a link to the shop and all other information in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more swatch videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram at glittersandflickies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.